Digestion equals breaking food into nutrients.
Occurs in the gastrointestinal tract. Monogastric, one stomach, simple digestion. Examples: dogs, pigs, humans. Limited fiber digestion ability. Rumen equals microbial fermentation tank. Reticulum equals filters food for rumination. Omasum equals absorbs water and nutrients.
Abomasum equals true stomach. Acid digestion.
Cud chewing equals regurgitate and re-chew.
Hindgut fermenters. Fermentation occurs after digestion.
Horses. Rabbits. Birds have a unique digestive system. Food passes from the crop to the proventriculus, then the gizzard, and exits through the cloaca.
Gizzard equals grinds food mechanically.
Ingestion equals taking food into body.
Mastication equals chewing. Increases surface.
Saliva equals lubrication and enzymes.
Stomach acid kills microbes and digests protein. Pepsin breaks proteins into peptides.
Small intestine equals main digestion and absorption.
Pancreatic enzymes digest all nutrients.
Bile breaks fat into tiny droplets.
Absorption equals nutrients enter bloodstream.
Villi and microvilli massively increase surface area.
Large intestine equals water absorption and waste.
Energy equals released from nutrients.
Gross energy equals total energy in food.
Digestible energy equals minus fecal loss.
Metabolizable energy equals minus urine and gases.
Net energy equals usable energy for the body. Energy balance equals intake minus expenditure. Positive balance equals weight gain.
Negative balance equals fat breakdown.
Kleiber's law equals metabolism scales with size.